Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today is Stitch Fix Day. So this is my December Stitch Fix, and I requested this month a Holly Jolly fix on a budget because I am on a budget right now. I have been buying Christmas presents like crazy, and I really can't afford to buy myself expensive clothes from Stitch Fix right now. I'm being honest. I found some really great clothes at other places here recently that have been way cheaper and similar to the same style, so I'm not looking forward to keeping a whole box. I am probably just gonna keep one piece unless the whole fix is like crazy amazing, but I told her to send me things that were red, things that were greens, plaids, you know, things to go along with the Christmas theme. And I told her to keep it really cheap because, like I said, I just can't afford to be spending a lot of money on myself right now. So let's get right into the box. Y'all know I don't peek on the app and I do not open until with y'all. So this actually came yesterday. This box was not supposed to come until Friday, but it came early, so that never happens. And I let it sit yesterday because I did not feel like filming. So I have one little burrito, I think, in here. Here's all my stuff. I'll read the card in a minute. And here is my bundle, my burrito. Oh my goodness. I say this every time I open these darn boxes, like I'm only gonna get one thing, and then I look at the bundle and I'm like, oh my gosh, I probably like everything in there. So it looks like she sent some amazing stuff. They are doing the holiday wrapping right now instead of the traditional Stitch Fix wrapping. So it's the silver with the gold label, which is really cute. And let's get right into it. Oh man, I can't even open this one. It's got like heavy duty. All right, so this is really cute. I love Loveappella. Oh my gosh, this was on my Pinterest board. She is so good about sending stuff on my Pinterest board, Caitlin. This is, I'm gonna keep more than one thing, let's be honest. The Loveappella Malbec elbow patch knit top in burgundy. Y'all look how cute that is. And it's got a burgundy stripe. This looks like jeans almost, like denim, but it's got the elbow patches on there. She knows I'm obsessed with elbow patches. It seems like everything that she has sent me with elbow patches I've kept, but it looks a little short, but I always say that. It's got like a band on the bottom, like that like stretchy band that's fitted. I kind of like that. All right, I'm really liking that, but I know that's like 60 bucks for my Pinterest, and that's already breaking the bank. I don't know about this fix on a budget. Come on now. All right, this is really cute. This is a plaid top. Really, really cute. And I want to say she sent me one like this, almost identical. Skies are blue, Charlene button-down cotton top in navy. And I told her to send me, you know, plaids. I had on my Pinterest board long ones that I can wear with leggings. So that does look kind of long, guys. What do y'all think? But it's like navy. It's not really picking up well. Yeah, you can see it there. It's like a light pink or a red stripe in it too, which I really like. I'll have to try this with leggings because that was my whole purpose. I wanted to be able to wear a cotton top or plaid top with leggings. All right, what do we have next? Oh, this is is this a cardigan? Yeah, all right, this is a 41 Hawthorn Abrianna long sleeve knit cardigan in dark green because I told her to send me some greens. Ooh, that's pretty. It's very, very thin. Y'all see how sheer it is. But it's just a nice like dark green cardigan that I could pair over anything at work. That is really nice. Now, depending on price, I know the 41 Hawthorn is pretty expensive, and for a sheer little thin cardigan that I could probably get at Old Navy for like 20 bucks, I'm not going to spend a lot of money on that for sure, but I really am liking that color, so she did listen to me for sure. Oh man, this is so cute. All right, this is the Papermoon. Oh wow, guys, y'all have to see this. This is the Papermoon Diano woven back knit top in burgundy. So she's listening to the reds and the burgundy. So this is what it looks like in the front. And the back has got this plaid, like contrast mixed material top, guys. So the back is totally different. So I am so loving that. And it's got like a little V on the back for the contrast back. That is really, really pretty. And guys, if you could feel how soft this is right now, this is so freaking soft. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm liking this one so far, and of course the elbow patch one for sure. All right, and last but not least, is this my boyfriend jeans? All right, so last month, if you watched my Stitch Fix video from last month, I'll link it above. They did not have these jeans. Are these the same ones? No, these are not the same ones. All right, well, we'll have to see. These are boyfriend jeans, guys, but they don't have any distressing on them. They're just classic boyfriend jeans, and these are the cut from the cloth. And I love the boyfriend distress ones she sent me last month, but they were a size 8 and they were way too big. And I heard from all you guys, y'all left me incredible feedback that said the cut from the cloth jeans really stretch. So I tried to get a 6, but they did not have any sizes available. So they still gave me the credit because I kept all the other pieces and sold some other pieces on the Facebook boards. So that was nice of them. But she sent me a pair of cut from the cloth, and this is a size 6. So this is a size down. But this is not the same ones. These are the cut from the cloth Kate boyfriend jeans. And I thought that was the same ones, but there's no distressing on these. That's kind of weird. I don't know. I'll have to look back on my thing and see. But these are really cute, but I know these are expensive. So let's see what my card says, because right now I'm leaning towards 2 tops. That elbow patch one for sure, guys. Before I even try that on, I know that is all me. But let's read my card. So it says, "Hey Nicole, can you believe it's already time for the holiday season? Such a wonderful time of year for festive gatherings with family and friends. This fix is full of cozy layers that are a mix of casual and holiday wear. I put in another pair of Kate boyfriend jeans, but the pair I sent you in your last fix are sold out." Okay, so that's why she couldn't send me those. Dang it, those were so cute. "So I put in a lighter pair that we had in stock that are sized down to try. Let me know how they work. These are a classic pair of black pants, will be great for a family holiday, especially with the ankle booties you kept." Yeah, well, okay. So I kept the ankle booties, guys, but I sold them on the Facebook boards, and I put that in my feedback, and I hope she knows that because I didn't want to mess with... It's the first time I've ever sold on the Facebook boards because I was afraid I was going to mess with the algorithm and everything, and that goes to show me right there that it might. So I don't know if I'm going to sell on the Facebook boards anymore. "Pair the jeans with either of the Papermoon or Skies or Blue tops and the 41 Hawthorn cardigan layered over, or pair them with the Loveappella knit to show off those elbow patches that she knows I love so much. Add some statement jewelry to give your outfits a little holiday shimmer. Sending warm holiday wishes, XO Caitlin." So it was Caitlin again. So here's my style cards. I'll show you these real quick and I'll try these on for you guys. So there is a Loveappella styling card, super cute with that jacket right there. There is the cardigan, there's the plaid top. I'm hoping that one's long enough. There's the cute contrast back top. I'm really hoping that looks nice. And there's the jeans. All right, guys, so let me go and try these things on, and we'll see what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to send back. Y'all, I am back with this Loveappella elbow patch knit top, and I'm wearing the cut from the cloth jeans, boyfriend jeans as well. So I need your opinion on this top. I really did love it pulling out of the box, but it is really short. Y'all know I've said I'm long-waisted. I say that in every video. The struggle is real if you're with me, but it just feels like I'm probably going to be tugging at this the whole time. I mean, it's not short, let's be honest, but I just like things a little bit just like to hear for fall and for winter, but it is super soft. It feels like really nice quality, I have to say. And I want to show y'all the jeans. All right, so here's the jeans. Cut from the cloth. These are the size 6s, so I sized down and they fit perfect, guys. These are probably going to stretch out too, but you know, once I wash them and all, I think they will be pretty good. So I don't know if I'm going to keep them though, because I was looking for distress. I really don't want just plain jeans, if that makes any sense, because I can get those, I feel like, anywhere, and especially like this kind, but I haven't been able to find the distressed kind in the boyfriend anywhere in my local store, so that's why I was asking for those. But y'all let me know about this elbow patch top. All right, so that's first outfit. Let me try on the next one that I like. All right, y'all, this is the Papermoon contrasted back top. And I already know it's too big right now. It looks like a dress, but it's supposed to be long because you can wear this with leggings, which I'm totally looking for. So I'm not sure if I should size down. I mean, I know I should, because I mean, look how big it is in the front. I mean, it's huge. I mean, this is a medium. I probably need a small, and that would probably work out great because look, it does cover the butt, which is what I'm totally looking for. I could wear this with gray or with black leggings and booties, and I think that would be a super cute top. So I think I might size down to a small depending on price and keep this one because I do like the whole contrasted back. I love how it's longer. Because it is super long. Look how long that is. Super nice. I could wear this to work. I could wear this out. But right now, it's just looking like a tent. Well, y'all let me know in the comments below what you think. But I know it's too big. So I would definitely need to get a small in this because this is looking like a huge shirt. But I do like my stuff big. Y'all know that. But not like this. Okay. But I do love everything else about it. But it's just too big. So But they've been doing pretty bad about the size exchange is not having stuff available, so we'll have to see if it's available or not, but I am really loving this. All right, on with the next, guys. This is the Skies Are Blue plaid top. It's not long enough for leggings, I don't think. It needs to be just a little bit longer for leggings. It is cute, but I'm definitely not keeping it. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's got a hole in it. Y'all see that hole right there? That's not supposed to be there. I just noticed that when I was playing with the arm, so it's got a hole in it. You know, I could exchange it for another one because it's damaged or whatever, but I don't really, it's just plain. It's nothing special to me. It's not screaming to me. I know I can get something similar for way cheaper. So, you know, if it was longer, if it was more like a tunic, I definitely keep it because that's what I'm in the hunt for, is for something longer that I can pair with leggings and for booties. That is what I want. And I've asked several times and just seems like they don't have enough stuff that's long enough. I don't know if it's Stitch Fix. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you've received something that you can wear with leggings and you love. Because y'all, I'm back with the cardigan, and it's the dark green cardigan. I don't know how I feel about this. You know, I am a teacher, and I'm surprised she hasn't sent me more cardigans, because that seems to be like the cliche thing to do, is to send teachers cardigans, because that's apparently what all teachers wear, which is not true. I probably don't see hardly any teachers at my school wearing cardigans, including myself. I don't have very many cardigans in my closet. But it's got like, it's regular length, and then it's got this tapered thing on the side going down, which is a nice touch. It is fitted. I mean, you know, it's, I don't know. I don't really have much to say about it, let's be honest. So let's look at the prices and see how much this stuff is. All right, guys, so I'm going to look at the price sheet now. We're going to talk about what I'm considering keeping and sending back. All right, so the Loveappella elbow patch knit top is $58. That's the one that I liked originally coming out of the box, but I'm not sure if it's too short. Y'all let me know in the comments below. But so far, I do like it, but I'm just not 100% sure yet. We'll have to play with it. And Trey is climbing up on the chair that the camera is mounted on, if you're wondering why you're shaking. The cut from the cloth jeans are $88, so I'm probably not going to keep them. I mean, they do fit good, but it's just not what I was looking for. The Papermoon Diano woven back knit top, the one that I like, is $48. So she's listening to me as far as the on a budget thing, but I'm going to have to size down for sure on that. Y'all let me know what you thought about that one. The cardigan is $48, which is not a bad price, but I'm probably not going to keep that. And the button-down plaid top was $54. I'm not keeping that even if it didn't have the hole in it, because I'm just not impressed for $54. So it's $296. The buy 5 discount is $74. $20 styling credit makes it $202, which is not bad for a whole fix. That's pretty good. That's probably the best you're going to do for fix on a budget, let's be honest. But I think these are the two contenders. These two right here. So y'all let me know what you think. And again, how much was that Loveappella one, guys? I'm already, mommy brain has set in. $58 for this. So even though I love it, do I love it for $60 since I'm not going to, you know, get the discount on it? I don't know. Y'all let me know. But I do like this one, and I think it'll look cute with leggings. Y'all want some animal crackers? He's handing them to me. You want some? But I gotta size down. So y'all let me know what you think about this fix. Y'all give this video a thumbs up if you love Stitch Fix. Y'all let me know in the comments what you've received for December and that you're loving, so maybe I can pin it on my Pinterest board and get some inspiration. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because I do a Stitch Fix video every month. I'm not sure, my one for January is probably gonna be the end of January, guys, because like I said, I'm on a budget and I really don't need to be spending all this money on myself for clothes, because I know I'm gonna get some for Christmas and all too. So I know I'm gonna get one, but it'll probably be late January. So again, you want some? All right, so guys, that was my Stitch Fix. And y'all hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd love to have you part of the family. I do way more videos than Stitch Fix if you haven't come across my channel yet. And I'd love to have you. And guys, please give me your feedback below. Y'all don't know how much I appreciate that feedback. It really does help me. So please give me feedback about this one for sure, the one that I'm going to size down in probably, and the elbow patch one. That's the two I'm contending right now. All right, guys, until another Stitch Fix video for January. If I don't see y'all, I know I'll see you with videos, but my Stitch Fix girls that only follow me on Stitch Fix, y'all have a Merry, Merry Christmas until January. Y'all have a great night.